Hey, what's up guys? Sam here. Welcome back to another video. It is iPhone 12 launch day. I don't know when mine are coming, but wait a second. Is this real? I'm just walking around Forest Park trying to pass time until UPS comes, and we'll take a look at this. There's two iPhones. Just hold on. Are those the iPhone 12? What? And there's a tripod facing this like perfectly aesthetic unboxing background. I mean, listen, I don't see anybody, so I mean I can at least open them, right? If I just found them. This is probably Soldier Knows Best's iPhones because he's from St. Louis too. But I'm just gonna borrow them and I'll put them back. Okay, guys, it is the iPhone 12 launch day. I have not been this excited for a launch in such a long time. All right, let's open these up. I got blue on both. Spoiler alert. Let's unbox these because apparently the boxes are a little different. All right, guys. First up is the iPhone 12. Let's go ahead and rip the plastic off of here. I'm putting it in my pocket so I'm not littering. Don't worry. I did get the 64 gigabyte one in blue, and you can see the box is real tiny. So there it is. It's very blue. I think I liked it significantly better before I saw it in person, to be completely honest. I kind of had some second thoughts after I saw some initial unboxings. I don't know. The blue is okay, at least on the standard iPhone 12. Oh my god, it's so light though. This is weird to know that this has got like the latest and greatest stuff in it, and it literally feels like it weighs practically nothing. Wow, that's really cool. Okay, inside the box, what do you get? Nothing this year. This is the official inside of the box for the iPhone 12. And yeah, we're gonna go ahead and set that down just for a second, peel the little screen protector off, turn the iPhone 12 on. Here we are, guys. We have made it through another year, and we've got the iPhone 12. I mean, looks wise, damn, I don't know. I feel like I've heard a lot of reviewers be like, it's pretty good, but like, it's pretty good. You know what I'm saying? Like, oh man, the boxy design, 6.1 inch display. It's pretty sweet, man. It's a good phone. It's a good design. All right. You know what? We could set this up, or we could jump into the iPhone 12 Pro and then go back for a second. Let's jump to the iPhone 12 Pro. All right, and iPhone 12 Pro time as well. Let's flip it over. Tear that plastic off. A great unboxing experience. You can see that Apple is going with black for the second year in a row. They did that on the Pro last year. They're trying to make it feel as premium as it can be. And this is the new blue, and this looks real good. Okay, the blue on the other iPhone, just, I don't know, it doesn't cut it for me. Again, the internals of the box are the exact same on both models. No power brick, you know, really no fun inside of the box, which is fine. Here's the iPhone 12 Pro. Okay, this one looks cool. This is the new Pacific blue color, and you can see it kind of changes like depending on what lighting it's in. Sometimes it looks more space gray, like that looks kind of space gray, and then you tilt it away and it looks more Pacific blue. Huge fan of this one. I'm actually really happy I got this. You got the stainless steel sides that are ultra reflective, and let's go ahead and take this screen protector off as well, and see what the iPhone 12 Pro has to offer. You know, it's not turning on. I'd be really sad if this is a dead unit. Okay, we're all good. Just want to make sure. Yeah, I mean, look at this design. Like, this is what we've been hearing about for such a long time, and it's finally here. I mean, it feels good. Definitely heavier, though, than the iPhone 12. The iPhone 12 here feels incredibly light. This one isn't bad, but for being the exact same design with a 6.1 inch display, like, I don't know, to me, the iPhone 12 just feels so light. But of course, you're losing out on some stuff like a third camera. You're losing out on the new LiDAR sensor right there on the iPhone. And I want to go ahead and just unlock these for you guys. Okay, so I'm not really like on Wi-Fi, so I can't really get the 12 set up. But like, no, it's the exact same experience on both. Feels cool. Honestly, the square design doesn't feel as good as in my hand initially as I thought. Now, I know this might change, but I don't know. I was like, I don't know. I was expecting something a little bit different, but it does look so good. I mean, the display is amazing. It's got the stronger ceramic shield, so if I drop it, hope I got some of you out there probably thought I dropped it. I don't know. It's stronger a little bit. Everything else is like gonna be the same as the 6.1 inch iPhone before. My 5G is working. I've got Verizon, everybody's favorite carrier, and it's not the crazy fast 5G, but it is the okay 5G. So I've got an app downloading. and I want to see how good this thing really is. So we'll run a speed test and then we'll wrap up this video. Okay, here we go. Every YouTuber's favorite app for like the next year, speed test. You know what? It would be cool if I did a comparison to 4G from the same spot right now. I will do that actually. I can actually do that after this is over. I will turn off 5G and see what happens. So we're getting about 21 down, and it actually, you know, pretty respectable upload speed over cellular, which is like 8, you know, 8.5 maybe if it's our lucky day. Okay, these are the results for 5G. Let's go to 4G. Okay, now we are on LTE, exact same spot, exact same test, literally just minutes apart. Oh, okay, that's really funny. You know what? Don't buy this iPhone for 5G because it's clearly not ready. I'm standing in the exact same spot. I have not moved. We're gonna do some more extensive testing on this, okay? We're gonna try this out. The upload, real bad, but expect a video on this later today. All right, guys, before I blow away out here, it's iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro season. They're here, baby. They're out now. Let me know what you think of yours, if you got one down below, which model you're going with, and generally your thoughts on this year's iPhones. Do you like the way that they look, the feel, the sound? They don't really sound like much. All right, hope you guys enjoyed this one. I'll see you in my next video.